Assalamu alaikum, myself Menahir Asim, and my topic to discuss is boron chemistry and its applications in cancer treatment. As we all know that there are different kinds of elements and each and every element has its own significance and applications. So we selected boron element and its applications in cancer treatment. So here we'll look at how the chemistry of boron is applied in cancer treatment. In introduction, I bring you some of the properties of boron. As we all know, it's an element that belongs to group number 13, which have atomic number 5, atomic mass 10.811, and its origin from Big Bang or galactic events. Here are some chemical properties that boron is insoluble in water, it reacts with oxygen, and it do not react with acids. Then here comes some of applications of boron. It's used in cancer treatment. It's used in nuclear rods for controlling motion of neutrons. It's used to make alloys and strong magnets. And these magnets are used in microphones, headphones, etc. Then boron in cancer treatment. Boron has a unique ability to absorb the neutrons. This property is used in cancer treatment and the therapy collectively known as boron neutron capture therapy. Before going in detail that what is boron neutron capture therapy, let's discuss what is cancer and what its causes. Cancer. As this word is familiar to all of us, but to define it is a little difficult task. So in simple terms, cancer is abnormal division of cells rapidly, which can result in the formation of tumors and it affects the normal functioning of organs. And if it will not cure at time, then the person eventually dies. So it's a simple definition of cancer. Then there comes history of cancer. In 17th century, lymph theory developed which believed that abnormalities in lymphatic system were the cause of cancer. Then there comes Rudolf Virchow in 19th century. He found that cancer cells divide on their own. Then the German surgeon Karl concluded that cancer spread through malignant cells. Then what causes cancer? Cancer is mainly caused by two problems like genetic mutation and change in lifestyle. What is meant by genetic mutation? It's a sudden change in the DNA of an organism and about 5 to 10% fall in cancer that is hereditary. That means if any of our forefathers having cancer, then there is a chance of future generations to affect with cancer. And the second one is change in lifestyle. There is excessive use of phone, use of deodorants and hair dyes, and normally 5 to 10% cancer is inherited. Then boron neutron capture therapy. It's an ideal technique to kill cancer cells without harming organs, which is based on the reaction of non-radioactive boron 10 nuclei capturing slow neutrons to yield high LET alpha particles and gamma rays. BNCT proposed to treat patients of glioblastoma multiforme, that is GBMS. GBMS is a type of malignant tumor of brain involving the glial cells. 52% is in functional brain tissue and 20% intracranial tumors. It also shown its ability to treat other cancers like neck cancers, liver cancers, and thyroid cancers since mid-1980s. Then the basic principle of BNCT is the targeted radiochemotherapy boron 10 carrying drug to the blood transportation system. For successful BNCT, blood-brain barrier that is BBB is used either by passive transport or through the receptor mediated transport. Thermal neutrons equal to 0.025 electrovolts used as a source. Nuclear reactors are the source of neutrons. By the decay of boron atom, helium-4 nuclei, that is alpha particles, and lithium-7 ions to kill the tumor cells. Then the major factors of BNCT: low or even non-systematic toxicity to achieve at least 20 gram B10 per gram of tumor boron 10, rapid decrease from blood and normal tissues and persistence in tumor during BNCT, chemical stability, water solubility and lipophilicity. Then the question arises, what is lipophilicity? Lipophilicity is the chemical ability to dissolve lipids, fats and oils. Then the challenges of PNCT: lack of more effective selective boron delivery reagents, better estimation of delivery doses to tumor cells and normal tissues, and evaluation of recently constructed accelerator-based neutron sources. Then conclusion, BNCT is a combination of chemistry, biology and nucleotology. We are able to cope up with these challenges by BNCT and put a role in cancer treatment in 21st century. Anyways, that's all for this topic. Thank you so much.